What's up, guys? John again. I'm in the garage at home. Got the Mustang here. Going to change out my puddle lights because, as you can see here, they actually, hang on. Corbin, set the light out in here for a quick second so I can shoot them. Well, never mind. I can see it. There's the puddle light. For some reason, they look like a broken sun. I don't know why. Both sides like that. So I got, get the light on, brand new ones here. So we're gonna swap them out and show you how easy it is to do, because that looks ridiculous. So I got a screwdriver right here. Underneath here, you just pop this out right here. Once they come out, the light will come out. There'll be a plug, you pop the new one in. So this will be a little difficult with one hand, but we'll get it done. I might have to switch to a different screwdriver once I figure out where the hole is.
That's what she said.
This is very difficult with one hand. When you do this, try to have somebody holding the phone for you. There we go. What going? No. So that's the light. This is the broken one. I mean, they still light up, but they don't light up well. So let me get these open, figure out which is the left and the right, which actually, that says L, that might actually be L, left. Oh no, they both say that. So maybe they're universal. I'll figure it out and get these opened up and we'll get back to you. One sec. Well, I got them unboxed, and as you can see, part numbers are different. And I have no frickin' idea which one's which. So I'm gonna have to pause this and do a little research to figure out which one's which. I don't want to put the wrong side in or try to jam it in there and break it. So give me a second. Let me figure out which ones they are, and we'll get them swapped out. All right, after a quick little look on the Google, left hand is actually that one. So that's driver's side. That is passenger side. So let's go ahead and get this one opened up, or attempt to get this opened up. Like I said, it'd be so much easier if my kids were helping me right now. Don't know how that actually is broke. That's the broken one. I mean, it looks perfectly normal. It's dirty, but it looks normal. But somehow that doesn't work. But that's the new one. So let's get her plugged in, pushed up inside, and go from there. Let's see if that shines right now. Look at that. Perfect. All right. Much gooder. Love it. Let's do the other side now. As you can see, it really is that easy. They're about $97 each here in Canada. Not sure what they are in the States. Probably like 60, because, you know, we get ripped off here. But not badly priced. So if you find yours failing and you want to replace them, it's that simple. Small little flat screwdriver, buy the bulbs, plug and play. 2-minute job. That's it. Judging by this one, which is the same color sticker as was in the driver's side after I put the new one in, this one might have already been replaced once, because the original driver's one was yellow. Or it just could be a coincidence that, you know, maybe it was made on a Monday, that was made on a Tuesday, I don't know, but this one came out as white, which the new one going in on that, the driver's side, was white. So let's see what the passenger one looks like. Oh, it's white too. So yeah, I'm assuming that at some point that one's already been replaced, but weirdly enough, it also looks like a broken sun. So that's again kind of a pain doing this by yourself. If only my kids were here to help instead of being on the other side of my garage playing with their own shit. Pray it worked. Look at that. Hey, Corbin, get the lights. Get the lights, please. Had this car for 2 years. Yeah, that looks so much better. And they've always been burnt like that. I've never bothered replacing them until right now. Love the new look. Should have done this a long time ago. But that's it. That's all it is to do it. Like I said, I got $200 invested into that. Maybe you can find it cheaper, but that's what it cost me. $100 each side. Well worth it. Now it actually looks proper. Now I got the running horse on the side of my car. Want to open up the door instead of a messed up looking sun. So if you like this small little quick video, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Thanks for watching. Stay weird.